Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or yung taong you are currently dealing with or a returning person sa buhay mo. Let's see what's happening. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you, Aries. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies na nag-linger sa inyo, sa relationship nyo. For Aries, please. Aries. Aries. Control. Controlling. Needs to be right all the time. Possessive. Jealous lover. Okay? You are dealing with a possessive person. Okay? Nagsiselos palagi. Merong control issues. Palagi siya ay tama. It takes two. Someone is not committed, incompatible, conflicted. Okay? Merong hindi sincere sa relationship. Hindi naman talaga siya supportive. Okay? Hindi naman talaga siya sincero or sincere sa inyo. Okay? Hindi nagmamatch ang energies ninyong dalawa. Aries, iba yung gusto mo. Iba rin yung gusto niya. Okay? But the chemistry is undeniable. Hoity-toity. Champagne taste. Beer budget. Arrogant. Pretentious. Okay, someone is pretentious. Nagpapa-impress. Okay. Someone is also alcoholic. Okay. Merong arrogante. Nagpe-pretend lang. Okay. Merong control issues dito. Parating nagsiselos. Pinabantayan ka. Pinupuna yung mga ginagawa ninyo. Okay, Aries. Let's see from the tarot. Aries, please. Messages for Aries. Messages for Aries, okay. Person. Messages for Aries. It's you. Okay. Maybe some of you, yung iba sa inyo ay you're dealing with an air sign. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Seven of Pentacles. Iniisip ninyo kung meron pa bang patutunguhan ang relationship? Maki-improve pa ba? Is it worth it? Okay? Is the relationship worth fighting for? Okay? Nag-iisip ka ngayon, nagmumuni-muni kung ano yung sitwasyon ninyo. You hope that the situation is different. Okay? For some of you, you are also dealing with a fire sign. Merong fire sign involved. Or this is you, King of Wands, Aries. You are very focused on your work. Baka business owner ka, no? May sarili kang negosyo. Solo flight ka. You are a hardworking person, breadwinner. Okay? Ikaw parating nag-a-adjust ng relationship ninyo or sa situation ninyo. Okay? Yung person ninyo ay mahilig lumabas, maraming mga friends, mas gusto pa kasama ang mga kaibigan kesa sa inyo. Okay? And this is the issue, this is the problem. Hindi napaparamdam sa inyo ng person ninyo yung totoo niyang nararamdaman. Instead, sinasabi niya or kinakausap yung ibang tao. Laging nasa party, kainan, inuman, okay? Nag-enjoy siya sa company ng mga friends niya or ng ibang tao. Maybe there is a third person involved, okay? Or he or she is involved in other activities. Okay? Someone needs your understanding, Aries. Okay? Or meron pang ibang tao na mas kailangan ka kaysa sa person mo. Meron pang ibang tao or sitwasyon na kailangan mong pag-ukulan ng pansin, okay, at ng attention mo. Marami kang iniisip, okay, about family or material things. You are growing in your work, in your situation, in your profession. Okay. You are in a serious relationship with this person, okay? And baka iba sa inyo ay ikakasal na or committed na with this person. Pero yung person ninyo, marami siyang gusto sa buhay, marami siyang gustong gawin pa aside from you. It seems na yung priority is not you, Aries. Okay? Marami siyang mga extracurricular activities. And you yourself is focused about your work, about your position, about kaperahan. Masigasig ka. Okay. May control issues about sa relationship ninyo, Aries. You are ambitious. Marami ka ring gusto sa buhay, and at the same time, yung person ninyo, parang magkaiba kayo ng direksyon. Okay? Kailangan yung mag-stick sa inyong commitment. Okay? Kailangan nyo i-revive yung relationship ninyo. Mag-fun, mag-plan together. Aries, kailangan i-revive. Marami kang gustong gawin. Okay, but also you need to involve your person, Aries. Okay? Maybe this person is hindi niya din alam kung anong path niya or kung ano yung gusto niya sa buhay. Mayroong insecurities. Okay? And kailangan niya ng care and attention ninyo. Yeah. Successful ka on your own. May sarili kang direksyon, siya ganun din. But then, you feel na parang kayong dalaw. Yung relationship ninyo is meron ng commitment, okay? Parang may sarili ka ring mundo, So, busy ka rin sa ginagawa mo. You don't want distraction. You are working too hard, okay? And nakafocus ka sa work mo. Merong defensiveness sa part mo, Aries. Parang hindi mo, maybe you are too busy and hindi mo na nabibigyan ng pansin or attention yung person ninyo. That's why naghahanap din siya ng sarili niyang direksyon. Okay? Kaya wala siyang ibang napupuntahan din kundi yung mga friends niya. Okay, Aries. Siguro kailangan mo mapag-isa, Aries. And you have to think things through about your relationship. Kailangan mo magbiyahe para pag-isipan ang inyong relationship. Okay? Yeah. Conflicted. Kailangan iisa lang ang direksyon ninyo, hindi magkahiwalay. Parang ganun. Okay, Aries? Kasi parang kanya-kanya kayo. So, someone is waiting for your attention. Okay? Tinitingnan ko ano yung mangyayari sa future ninyo. Aries? Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages, additional messages for you. Aries, please. Aries. Okay. Para kailangan nyo iparamdam yung pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa, panindigan yung commitment, okay? Bigyan nyo ng oras at atensyon yung isa't isa. Okay. More message please, or additional message for Aries. Okay. Healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. Okay. Healing. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transforms all things. Okay. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Aries. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!